Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. Here I am on the engine compartment without an engine. And this video I will remove the muffler with CAT, also some harnesses, fuel injection harnesses, clutch slave cylinder and oil filter once again. And some other things also, so I hope you enjoy. I will continue to disassemble the engine bay, and the next thing is the exhaust removal. As you can see, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuts. I have no idea how to read them. So many bolts. These are free. It's almost free, as you can see. Next time the rear valance off. And it's heavy. Here is the muffler support and catalytic converter removed. These more light. So there is 4 bolts. Referring parts manual, so they are all 10mm. Easy peasy. Not so lemon squeezy, but now I gotcha. And one more to go. There's one more plate here, but okay. It's enough. Here is the left side engine mount heat shield and also an orientation of it. Then this bracket, but they say that take it from here. It's much easier. The next one. Thank you. Okay. The next choice is the smaller ratchet. Do I get enough power? Sure I can get enough power. So there it is. How long is this bolt? Oh shoot! The engine dropped a bit, so I need to be really careful. Here is the engine mount, and I took these bolts first from the engine block. And here is the clutch slave cylinder. Removing the oil filter once again.
Okay, come on. Fuel line. These are all 13s. Here is the fuel lines removed. Direct injection module. This one. Here is the direct injection module removed.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe and hit the like button. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
Do everything that you want. You can do everything that you want. You can do it.